Welcome to qnawire.
So now we'll work on problem 38 from chapter 17. In this problem, we're asked to predict whether the equivalence point of each of the following titrations is below, above, or at pH 7. The first titration which we're given is formic acid titrated with sodium hydroxide. So we have a weak acid being titrated with a strong base. And when we have a weak acid titrated with a strong base, the equivalence point will be above 7 because the pH will be determined at the equivalence by the conjugate base. So it will be a basic solution. In part B, we're given calcium hydroxide titrated with perchloric acid. So this is a strong base titrated with a strong acid. And when we have two strong species, the pH, the equivalence occurs at pH 7. And then in part C, the titration which we're given is pyridine titrated with nitric acid. So here we have a weak base, pyridine, being titrated with a strong acid. So here the pH should be below 7 because at the equivalence, the pH will be determined by the conjugate acid, which makes the solution acidic.